Is your car burning through gas faster than usual? Or does the exhaust smell like rotten eggs? You might be dealing with code P2190, which stands for System Too Rich Off Idle Bank 2. This code is very common in European and Asian imports like Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, Mini, Hyundai, and Mazda, typically on models from 2010 and newer. When we say the system is running rich, it means the engine is getting too much fuel and not enough air. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1. So on a V6 or V8 engine, you are looking at the opposite side. The powertrain control module determines this by reading data from the air-fuel ratio sensor, commonly known as the oxygen sensor, or O2 sensor. When this sensor reports a rich condition while you're driving, not just sitting at a stoplight, it triggers this code. The symptoms often include a lack of power when you step on the gas, a rough idle, occasional misfires, and of course the check engine light on your dash. This can be caused by a few different things, such as a leaking fuel injector that is dripping extra gas into the cylinder, high fuel pressure, a faulty oxygen sensor giving bad data, or a dirty mass airflow sensor, or MAF. The MAF sensor measures how much air is coming into the engine, and if it is dirty, it might tell the computer there is less air than there actually is, causing the computer to miscalculate the fuel mix. Your diagnostic process should start under the hood with a visual inspection. Locate the mass airflow sensor on the air intake tube and check the wiring for any breaks or melted plastic. Pull the connector and check the metal pins inside for corrosion. If they look grain or dirty, clean them with electrical contact cleaner. A great first step repair is to remove the MAF sensor and clean it with a specific mass airflow sensor spray. Do not use brake cleaner, as it can damage the sensitive electronics. Let it dry completely before reinstalling. If cleaning the sensor does not fix it, you will need to use a scan tool to monitor the live voltage data from the MAF sensor and the oxygen sensor on bank 2. You want to see the voltage change smoothly as you rev the engine. If the oxygen sensor is stuck reading high voltage, it is confirming a rich condition. If you have ruled out the air intake and the sensors seem okay, the problem might be a mechanical issue, like a stuck fuel injector or a fuel pressure regulator that has failed. Since diagnosing fuel pressure and injector pulse requires specialized gauge sets and safety precautions due to flammable gasoline, if cleaning the MAF sensor does not work, it is usually time to hand this one over to a certified mechanic to avoid throwing expensive parts at a problem that might just be a wiring issue.